一根柱子、每一寸轨道，都必须靠双边的工作团队，踏踏实实、一步一脚印、努力耕耘，才能够达到的结果。至今，新加坡范围的工程已经完成了大约2/3，跨海高架轨道桩基的落成，是我们建筑工程的重要里程碑。同时，位于乌兰北的地铁站和我们的 CIQ 的工程也在进行的非常的顺利。新柔地铁的下一个重要里程碑呢，是完成我们两国的建筑工程，这个也包括了高架轨道的其余部分。之后呢，运营公司将会安装和测试铁路系统，两国的基建公司就是 Infraco 也会同时的来进行建筑工程与机电服务的装备。这些工程呢，需要运营公司、两家基建公司以及双方政府的不同的机构要紧密的来协调。
在马来西亚方面呢，整个工程都是跟新加坡同步进行，我们也非常有信心说，2026年的年尾就可以完成整个工程，所以我们已经决定了2027年的1月1号一定要通车，所以这个时间表不能够改变。这个时间表我们要确保两方的这个承包商都必须要非常的谨慎来完成所有的工程。所以在马来西亚方面，我们今天的这个仪式也看得出，整个工程呢都是非常的顺畅和顺利的。
Both countries have agreed that the RTS link fares will be determined commercially by the OPCO, which is the RTS Operations Private Limited. So in setting the fare, I believe the OPCO will have to take into account certain factors, such as the demand for the RTS services, which may grow over time, the cost of providing an efficient and reliable service for commuters on a financially sustainable basis, and also what are the fares that are being charged by alternative travel options, such as taxis, coaches, and ferries, including some of the possible new connections that Minister Look mentioned earlier.
And we are looking forward that the fare definitely will be competitive and something interesting to ensure that both travelers from both countries will enjoy a seamless journey. This is something that I think the travelers are looking forward to, because I think RTS Link provided not just the convenience, but the cutting down of traveling time. That is very, very crucial and important, because by having the RTS, firstly, the traveling time will be significantly low, and more importantly, one major component of this particular project is that it will be only clearing immigration at one station. So both immigration will be cleared at one station. So that will save a lot of time, and that will be the convenience through this RTS link, and I'm sure it will be welcomed by travelers.
And to now exchange documentation.